Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken roast. Start by selecting a whole chicken, ideally weighing around 3 to 4 pounds, which is perfect for a small family meal. The first crucial step is to thoroughly pat the chicken dry with paper towels. This simple action is key to achieving wonderfully crispy skin. While you prepare the chicken, preheat your oven to a steady 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's ready for roasting. Now, let's infuse that delicious flavor. Drizzle about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or melted butter all over the chicken, then rub it in thoroughly. Next, season generously with 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite herbs like rosemary or thyme. Don't forget to stuff the cavity with aromatics such as lemon halves and several garlic cloves for an extra burst of flavor. It's time to roast. Carefully place your seasoned chicken breast side up on a roasting rack within a sturdy pan. Pop it into your preheated 400-degree oven. Roast for approximately 60 to 75 minutes. The chicken is perfectly cooked when an instant-read thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the thigh, avoiding the bone, registers 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Basting every 20 minutes helps keep it moist. Once your chicken is beautifully golden brown and cooked through, carefully remove it from the oven. This next step is vital for juicy results. Tent the chicken loosely with aluminum foil and let it rest for a minimum of 15 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat. After resting, carve the chicken into your preferred pieces and serve it immediately with your favorite side dishes. Enjoy your perfectly roasted chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.